Hey guys, this is Kuya Kurt. Welcome to my vlog.
No, that's free.
Hindi naman! Hindi wag na! Ayoko na!
No, sir. Are you Tagalog, Kurt?
Ako yun.
Thank you, sir.
You recognize me?
Yeah.
Akala ko I'm in
Can I take a picture?
Oh, syempre.
Thank you, sir.
Anong pangalan mo?
Paco.
Mako?
Paco.
Nice to meet you, Paco.
Why are you here?
Taga rito ka?
Apo.
Ito ako para titignan ko yung mga iba't ibang karinderya. Kaya ngayon, kakain ako dito sa Junida's Canteen. O sige, Paco, thank you ha. Ingat kayo ha. Well guys, that's how you start a vlog. He started walking up towards me as I was adjusting the camera. And he stopped. And I thought he stopped because, oh, musta? I thought he stopped because he was afraid of getting in the way of the vlog, but hindi pala, he's a fan. It's crazy, guys, the difference between my last trip here in the Philippines in May to June, where I was here for about 4 weeks. That's when I was in the audience of Eat Bulaga. The difference between then and now of like how often I'm getting recognized in the streets, it's crazy. It's like, back then, I think it was like maybe once a day, someone would be like, "Are you Tagalog, Kurt?" And now it's happening like 3 or 4 times every time I go outside. So it's pretty interesting. So anyway, guys, we are here in Barangay Rizal. Rizal yata ito, diba? But I was walking by earlier and I saw this cantina called Junida's Cantina. And I stopped by earlier and asked if it was okay if we could shoot a vlog and have some of their most delicious ulams and chat with Nanay Junida a little bit about how she started a cantina and how it's been going and what they're doing. So we're gonna try out some ulams, guys. We're gonna have some conversation in Tagalog and we're gonna practice and we're gonna have a fun time and we're gonna make some new friends. So tara na, let's go. So guys, let's go check out the karinderya here. Magandang hapon po! Kayo po si Junida. Tama ba? Yan yung talagang pangalan nyo. Ay, galing. June Anida. June Anida. At ito ang Junida.
We combine together.
Ay, okay. Kaibigan mo yan. Si
So
Ani.
my husband.
Ay, husband. Ay,
My husband is June and then me, Nida. So we join
Junida.
together and then Junida.
galing, no? Anita, ano ba yung pinakamasarap or pinakamabenta yung ulam dito? Araw-araw.
My best seller is tuna.
Tuna. I like that you have them all labeled kasi mahirap para sa akin na i-identify ang bawat
Okay,
ulam.
that's pork steak.
Ay, pork steak,
Yeah.
menudo, dinuguan, masarap yung dinuguan.
Yeah,
Di ba laing is coming from Ilocano region? Tama ba yun?
somewhere in Bicol.
Ay, Bicol. Ay, okay. Tapos may pork chop, adobong pata, ginataang papaya. Yung ginataang, ibig sabihin ng ginataang is simply the way it's cooked, di ba?
No, ginatan, it means that we cook in coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
Ay, okay. And then adobo atay manok,
Yeah.
pritong isda. Anong klaseng isda ba ito?
That's tilapia. We call
Ay,
it
tilapia yun.
Yeah.
Tapos ampalaya. And then here we have sinigang baboy, nilaga baka, at
Napaitang kambing.
pinapaitan kambing. Ano yung recommend nyo sa akin? Yung dalawang ulam na gusto nyong na susubukan ko.
Na kainin mo.
Oo.
It's yours.
Sa palagay nyo, ano yung magagusto ko? Maybe pwede kong subukan. Can I try kalahating order of dinuguan?
Okay, I will give you kalahati.
Ayun, pwede. Pwedeng kalahating pork steak, tapos isang kanin. Saan pwede akong umupo? Ito si June.
Yeah.
Kumusta po?
Yeah,
husband.
he's my
Sino ba yung pagluluto dito? Sino ba yung head chef? Ay, both of you, wow. Yung mga recipe nyo, saan galing?
from our parents.
Talaga? So talagang home cooking ito, talaga. Wow, galing. And then, para sa mga follower ko, anong hours nyo dito?
We started around 5 o'clock.
5 a.m.
Until 4 o'clock.
Basta pag maubos na yung pagkain. Ay, okay. Magaling pa kayo mag-English? Gusto nyo mag-English?
We will try Taglish.
Taglish na lang, sige.
Yes, yes.
Dapat i-Englishin nyo ako, tapos tatalugin ko kayo. Pwede ba yun? para pwedeng mag-practice tayong sabay-sabay.
So you speak Tagalog, then
And-
we speak English.
English na lang.
Just ask a question and then we will answer it.
Oh, sige, pwede. Ilang taon na kayo dito sa Caranderia? Or kailan ba kayo nag-start?
My wife knows
Ay,
because I'm overseas contract worker for almost 17 years.
ano ba?
OFW
Ay, OFW. Saan po?
from Israel.
Israel! Wow! Kumusta ba doon?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Pero nandun kayo from
2004 until 2021.
karamihan ilang mga beses sa isang taon na umuwi ka?
Actually, I'm taking my vacation every 3 years.
Wow, talaga?
Yes.
May hirap talaga yan.
Yes.
Masipag kayo. Yung trabaho nyo doon, ano ba yun?
As a Filipinos, we are caregiver.
Caregiver. Ay, galing.
Category caregiver.
Yung mga Israeli, mahilig sila sa mga Filipino caregiver?
Yes.
Yung-
And they love our service.
Talaga? Yan yung sabi ko sa mga tao na kung wala silang alam tungkol sa Pilipinas, ang sabi ko, yung kailangan mong alamin is Filipinos are the pinakamabait.
Filipinos, all over the world there is.
Yung lahat, yung kasi meron kayong yung kapwa, 'di ba? Yung
Yes.
sense of na community.
Yes.
Yung sa West, wala kaming ganun. Kanya-kanya talaga yung doon sa amin.
Do you have a girlfriend or wife here?
Ako wala.
So you're
So
single?
how come that you...
Binata pa. Pero dati nakatira ako doon sa Ilocos, Northern Luzon.
Di among tilo ka no?
Basit lain. Wala po nga rod.
Oh, this
I
is a hot.
see.
Oh, thank you. So, anong meron natin dito? Merong steak?
This is
Bicol Express because...
Ay, Bicol Express. So, may Bicol Express, tapos
Then, pupis.
Bupis. Bupis is
Lungs of a pig.
yung baga at saka
Puso.
bituka? O wala?
No.
So, lungs, heart, carrots,
Yeah.
tapos ano pa dito?
And potato.
Some potato.
Ay, potato. Okay.
Yeah.
So, ito yung
And,
Bicol
milk
Express.
people,
Ipapakita ko sa camera. Bicol Express, Bupis. Ito yung dinuguan.
Dinuguan.
Ano yung paghahanda ng dinuguan?
Intestine at the same time with meat.
Intestines with meat.
Yeah.
At tapos ito is the steak,
Pork steak.
pork steak. Pork steak ito.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the pork steak.
That's a pure lean.
So here we have the Bupis, Bicol Express, dinugaang at steak.
Pork steak.
Pork steak.
Yes.
Tapos ito, nakita ko yung mga ganito sa mga kalendarya. Bakit may...
To avoid the flies.
Ay, talaga?
And the reflection of this one.
Wow!
Yeah, the-
Galing no? Susubukan ko ito sa bahay ko doon sa estates. Kasi ang daming naming mga langgaw doon. Langgaw? Tama ba yun? Yung mga flow. Langgaw.
Langaw.
Right, yes.
Okay. Okay, so yung siguro magsimula tayo sa Bupis. So guys, this is the Bupis. Subukan natin.
Pupis with rice.
Sarap! Parang may lasa siyang Bupis. Di ba? Masarap siya. So guys, this is the
Yes.
pump
Paitang kambing.
pump
Paitang kambing.
pinapaitang.
Kambing.
Pinapaitang kambing.
Ang hirap ng Tagalog, no?
Pinapaitang kambing goat.
You see? A little bit. Bit
Maasim.
Maasim. We put some calamansi.
Woo! May kalamansi dyan. Anong bitter sa Tagalog?
Mapait.
Mapait.
Mapait. Ay, grabe,
That's why we call
mapait.
it Pinapaitan. Mapait.
Ay, kaya pala, pinapaitan. Mapait, pinapaitan. Kasi akala ko yung ibig sabihin is warm. Parang pinapainit. Ang akala ko. Kasi pareho sa tenga ko. So guys, we've tried the Bopis, we've tried the
Pinapaitan.
Itan.
Itan.
Grabe no, pinapaitan kambing. Let's try the Bicol Express. Guys, hot chili. Subukan natin.
Yes. Bicol Express.
Woo! Parang matamis siya.
Matamis na maanghang.
May kaunting siyang sinasabi namin sa English, may kick. May kick,
Yes.
may soup, may sipa siya.
Yes, yes.
Okay guys, we got the dinuguan here.
Dinuguan.
We're gonna try. Okay guys, dinuguan. I haven't had dinuguan for a while.
Yes. Dinuguan.
Woo! Masyadong maasim, no?
Ha?
Masyadong maasim. Masarap. And this is the pork steak.
Pork steak.
Pork steak. Pork steak, guys. Masarap yun. Masarap. So guys, this is talagang home cooking.
Home cooking.
As close to home cooking as you can get.
Saka kinakain din namin.
Okay, so we tried the bopis, the pampapait, kambing,
Kambing.
Bicol Express, dinuguang, pork steak, at meron, ano pa?
Nilagang baka.
Nilagang baka. Ito talaga yung nilagang baka.
Nilagang baka because we just only boil.
Nilagang baka, guys.
Lagang baka.
Nilagang baka, guys. Give it a quick taste. Wow! Makano po ba yung bawat ulam para alamin ng mga
Actually,
follower ko?
pork stick is a little bit high.
A little bit high.
70 per order.
70 ito.
And actually, all of this is 60 per order.
60 per order. So usually around 70 pesos yung isang ulam nyo.
70-60, yes.
70-60.
Tapos kung gusto nila ng kanin,
Rice,
10
10.
yun. Ay guys, libre yung tubig dito. Sarap, no? Tapos yung address nyo, kung gustong visiting kayo ng mga follower ko, anong address dito? Block 35, Lot 1, Phase 2, Pinagsama Village, Taguig, Manila, Philippines, Earth.
Yeah.
Tama yun.
We are living on a...
So, magkano po yan sa akin para sa yung buong total?
No, that's free.
Hindi naman. Hindi wag na. Ayoko na.
No, that's
Kasi ito yung ginagawa namin kasi yung mga follower
Di
ko,
ba sabi mo mga Pilipino?
oo nga, ang bait talaga. Pero yung mga Amerikano katulad ko, mabait pa rin. So, yung ginagawa ko is yung mga follower, binibigyan nila ako ng mga stars sa Facebook bilang parang tip yun. Tapos ipapasa ko yun sa mga karinderya owner kasi gusto ng mga follower ko na So, may 1,000 ako para sa inyo.
Wow, thank you
Tapos
so much.
may isa pang 1,000 para sa inyo. Tapos may isa pang 1,000 para sa inyo.
Wow, thank you.
Ay, sa inyo pa, sa inyo lahat. Hati-hati.
Come here, you must say thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. So guys, ito ang galing sa mga follower ko.
Okay,
Gusto nilang ibigay ng support sa mga local businesses. Kaya
Okay.
Magiging
Yeah.
follower mo na kami.
ayun, magaling.
So, we are your followers already. And thank you so much.
And thank you Guys, meron kayong gustong sabihin sa mga follower ko bago sa paalam ko?
Ito, nandito ngayon si Kurt sa amin, na kumakain. Nakita namin na siya mabait na tao. Ito yung buwan niya, Tagalog Kurt. Kaya suportahan natin. Magsimula ngayon, kami na ay kanyang follower.
Ayun, guys. So, punta kayo dito.
He's very kind,
We are
very
not expecting a
humble.
blessing,
He's
but
not
Blessing.
party.
thank you, Lord.
Libre yung pakain, tapos libre din yung tip ko
Pero
sa inyo.
sabi na
Yeah,
nila,
yeah, thank you so
when it comes to
much.
blessings, hindi dapat tanggihan.
Yeah, thank you for
Ayun.
sharing your blessing.
Syempre
And
naman.
may God bless you more.
Pleasure talaga sa akin ito. Talagang blessing sa akin.
Inaanyayaan namin kayo na hindi pa nakakakilala kay Kurt. Ito po, Tagalog Kurt.
Guys,
I'm going to share this one.
Ayun,
Ay,
pwede.
Okay.
okay guys, punta kayo dito. Subukan nyo Junida. Tapos, yun lang. Hanggang sa susunod, ako si Kuya Kurt. Kita kits.
Yeah, thank you.
Ayun.
Thank you for your kindness.